Hi everyone, I'm Kathy Almy, and I've got two don'ts and a do for you to make remote teaching a whole lot better today. So first thing is, don't be afraid. And I know that's easier said than done, but I really encourage you to have confidence in yourself. You are totally capable of doing this. The main thing your students need now is you. They want connection with you and they want consistency. We're all craving that. So remember, you are capable of doing this. Number two, do not feel the need to make a whole slew of videos. First off, you don't have to rely on video as your only means of instruction anyway. But even if you want to have videos, there's tons available. They're really, really good. I love the Patrick JMT videos, Just Math tutorials. And there's a lot of them, so sometimes I'll either give my students a link to a specific one or encourage them to use the find feature, Control F, on the page and type in the name of the section we're working on if there's a particular topic that they're looking for. But it's fabulous, and just that's not something that you need to feel overwhelmed by. There's so much else going on. Let's get that off of your plate. Number three, the best do, engage your students. This is where you get on Zoom, and this is where you do some live sessions with students. The idea that I think really is just wonderful for both students and the teacher is to have them go watch a video, maybe from Patrick JMT, before the class, have them work with the content, but then they'll work with you live to actually make sense of the content. So instead of getting on a live synchronous session and doing a lecture, they're going to get on live with you and work with the content. And that's where they're going to get to have that connection that they so desperately need, that connection to you, to their classmates, but also be able to see and connect the dots between different things that they're learning. That's one thing that's really missing when they're watching videos. They can watch somebody else do it, makes perfect sense, but doing it themselves, that's where it gets hard. So having you to connect the dots and ask them questions, teaching, that's what they want from you. So that's the main thing. They do want to see you, and that's a perfect place to engage them and have a great interactive experience with your students. If you liked this idea, we've got workshops coming up with more ideas. And just remember, if you're ever wanting to get professional development and you're worried that you're not going to be able to afford that, always ask an administrator. There's so many administrators that are so happy to see faculty get excited about doing something that they want to improve with their teaching, and they're happy to support it. So don't count that out as an option. Thanks for watching.